Hi, I'm Chris from Pyrodigital, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to switch between the different illumination modes. The FCA field controller has a fully illuminated keyboard. You can choose the brightness by pressing plus and minus on the brightness indicator. You can also choose between 3 different illumination modes by pressing plus and then clicking minus for full illumination mode, reduced illumination mode and essential illumination mode. Of course, the reduction of the illumination prolongs the battery operation time of the FCA field controller. Depending on the illumination mode and the connected networks, a full battery lasts for 4 to 14 hours. Thank you for watching. As always, you can find more information and videos on our website pyrodigital.com. See you in the next episode. Bye!